Hi everyone, this is Leela Negi, faculty of Kanika's Nursing Academy, and today I'm going to discuss about the voluntary health agencies in India. So as the name suggests, voluntary means that are made up by the people's choice or the willingness of the people's choice. So voluntary health agencies are the non-profit, non-political, independent health agencies which provide health services to the people who need them basically. So here the list of voluntary health agencies in our country. The first is Indian Red Cross Society, Hind Kusht Nivaran Sangh, Indian Council for Child Welfare, Tuberculosis Association of India, Bharat Sevak Samaj, Central Social Welfare Board, the Kasturba Memorial Fund, Family Planning Association of India, All India Women's Conference, All India Blind Relief Society, and some professional bodies. So now we will discuss them one by one. So first health agency is Indian Red Cross Society. So Indian Red Cross Society सबने ही सुना है इसके बारे में because it's have the huge branch in all over the world, not only in the India. It's having the branches in all over the world, and it was established in 1920. And the founder of Red Cross Society, it is mainly by a Swiss businessman, that is Sir Jean हेनरी ड्यूनेट इज द फाउंडर ऑफ रेड क्रॉस सोसाइटी. ये काफ़ी बार पूछा गया है ये क्वेश्चन, और इसकी एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ईयर इज 1920. बेसिकली इन द ईयर ऑफ 1914 to 1918, at the time of World War First, there were no such organization in India which provide health services to the wounded soldiers. So they established, or they started the Red Cross Society so that they can provide the health services to the soldier. Main motive and the main aim of Red Cross Society are promotion of health, prevention of disease, and mitigation of the suffering. So next, the activities comes under the Red Cross Society. So the activities are, it provides the relief works at the time of war or during the calamities that can be the natural calamities or the man-made disasters. So it provides milk and medical supplies at the time of some disease conditions or at the time of some war. It provides support to the armed forces, and it also provides maternal and child welfare services. It also works on the family planning services, and the Red Cross Society have their blood banks in all over the country, and it also provides the first aid services. So the next is Hind Kusht Nivaran Sangh. As the name suggests, Kusht means Kusht Rog, which is the meaning of leprosy in Hindi. So Hind Kusht Nivaran Sangh is founded in 1950, and its headquarters is in New Delhi. The precursor of the Hind Kusht Nivaran Sangh was British Empire Leprosy Relief Association. So इसका short form में इसको BELRA भी बोलते हैं, BELRA. यहाँ से कई बार क्वेश्चन आ जाता है कि जो आपका हिंद कुष्ठ निवारण संघ था वो पहले किस नेम से था, दैट इज बेलरा, ब्रिटिश एम्पायर लेप्रेसी रिलीफ एसोसिएशन.